Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the mathematics of class 10, chapter 10. Okay, the name of the chapter is circle. So, before going to discuss exercise questions, first we need to discuss some basic concept of the circle. What is the definition of the circle? It is very basic things. Definition of the circle. This is a plane. On this plane, a simple closed curve which is equidistant from a fixed point, this is called circle. Okay, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. This is known as center of the circle. Center, this is known as center. And three prepositions we have to remember. What are the prepositions? One thing is in, one is on, and there is out. In, on and out. In means what? In is the inside the circle, that is anterior part. Okay. On means on the circle, on this closed curve, infinite number of points are there on this simple closed curve, that is on. And out means exterior part. Clear? So in the circle means inside the circle. On the circle means on the just on this simple closed curve, and outside the circle means the exterior part and any exterior part of the circle. These three concepts we need. Next thing is that we have already learned, we have already get this in the previous classes, whatever it is in the class 5 to class 9. This fixed point is known as center. As we know that infinite number of points on the circle, any line segment joining, any point join the line segment joining any point with the center, suppose this is a point A, this line segment is called radius. So infinite number of radius will get, and all radius of the same circles are equal. That is the properties of the radii. Okay, the plural form of radius is radii. The line segment joining any points on the circle, so P is a point, Q is another point, 2 points, that is called chord. This already got in the previous classes. Okay, the line segment joining any points which passes through the center of the circle is called, suppose x, y, these 2 points which passes through the points center, that is called diameter. And the diameter is the longest chord, we can say longest chord. So whatever these points you have to remember, how many center? Only one center. Infinite number of radii. All are equal. Infinite number of diameters. All are equal. Longest chord, diameter is also longest chord. Okay. Infinite number of chords we will get. All diameters are equal, all are equal. So these are the basic concept, whatever we learned in earlier classes. These all points you have to remember. Here these may be needed to do the solve. Okay. Now see, our main aim is that, so this is circle, this is the center. Some lines maybe we can draw in this way. Some lines are intersecting, some lines are not intersecting, some just touch the circle. So, three situations may be created. First one is not intersecting, second one is touch only one point, intersecting at 2 points. See, these three situations we are getting, intersecting at 2 points. Okay, these are not intersecting, not intersecting. These lines are not intersecting. These are intersecting at 2 points. This line is just touch the circle at one point. Not intersecting, no names, just line which is not intersecting, but the line touch at only one point, that is called tangent. That is called, this line is called tangent. Okay, and intersecting at 2 points, this line is called secant. So, these lines are called, these lines which are intersecting at 2 points, that is, these are called secant. These are called secant. This line, just we can imagine that this line touch at only one point, this line is called tangent. This line is called tangent. So, our main aim to discuss about the tangent to a circle, tangent. Our main point is tangent. Okay, this is our main things to discuss. So, how many tangents can we draw? Since infinite number of points on this circle, so infinite number of tangents we can get. A circle can have infinite number of tangents. Okay, a circle can have infinite number of tangents. Only one and only one tangent can be drawn at any point of a circle. If a circle is given at any point, only one circle tangent you can draw, not more than one. So, infinite number of points, so infinite number of circles you can draw. So, this is one point, this is another point, next point is what? And this point where it is touch, that point is called point of contact. The point where the tangent touch the circle is called point of contact. Okay. Now, more things. See, what are the things? This is the circle, this is the center O, this is the tangent, PQ is the tangent, and this M is the point of contact. Okay. Now, see, if we draw the lines here, other than the M, infinite number of points are there on the line M, PQ. So, if we join this, in this if we draw, then what will get? This OM will be the shortest line segment from O to PQ. So, that is OM is perpendicular to PQ. OM is perpendicular to PQ. From here, what we can say? OM is nothing but what? This is radius, this is tangent. So what we can say? Tangents is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. This is the point you have to remember. The tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, or the radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So these things you have to keep in mind. Now with this concept, what we can say? Tangent has only one point of contact, that is only tangent touch at only one point, and second is intersecting the circle at 2 points. Another thing is that, see, this is a tangents. To this tangents, if we draw a parallel, at most how many parallel lines we can draw as a tangent? As a tangent, we can draw at most 2 tangents which are parallel to each other. Okay, not more than 2, at most 2 parallel lines. The questions may be, sir, this way you can draw. Yes, this way also you can draw. That is, this is parallel to this, at most how many? 2, not more than 2. Okay, there is a things. Now see the question of exercise 10.1, and it will be clear to you. Exercise 10.1. What is the first question? How many tangents can a circle have? Answer to question number 1. How many tangents can a circle have? Already got a circle can have infinite number of tangents. This is the answer. As it has infinite number of points on the circle, so infinite number of tangents we can draw. And each and every tangents are unique. Okay. Next question, fill up the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect it. So tangent to a circle intersect at how many points? Only 1 point. Only 1 point. Okay. Next, the line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called, the line which is intersecting a circle is called secant. This is known as secant. If 2 points, then secant, 1 point is tangent. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. Already I discussed this one. 2 parallel tangents at most. Number 4, what is number 4? The common point of tangent to a circle and the circle is called common point of tangent, and circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. This is a circle, this is a tangent. Which is the common point? This is the common point. This is called point of contact. Okay. So these are the things related to the basic concept of the tangents. This is for today. In the next class, we will discuss the more questions of exercise 10.1, whatever left. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.